Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a magnet door stopper to your home for a nice simple upgrade. So this is the standard door stopper that we all have or had in our home. The items that you would need would be a drill, a screwdriver, and of course the magnet door stopper. So I'm opening up my pack so you can see exactly what all comes with it. It comes with 6 different screws along with the anchors, the instructions, the door stopper along with the magnet. Now the first thing that I did, which made it a whole lot easier for me, I grabbed a pencil and then I just started marking off where the magnet is going to be. So I shut the door where the old stopper was and then just took a pencil and did like a little marking. And that's where the new magnet is going to be on the door. Now, only thing you have to do is just go ahead and untwist, and it'll come directly off. Just untwist the old magnet. Use your screwdriver to remove the base. And it'll come off just like that. Grab your new magnet and use your screwdriver, which is the Phillips head screwdriver, and removing the base off the magnet door stopper. And you will see it's 3 holes. You're going to place that right there on the wall where the old one was. Go ahead and grab your drill. Now I use my drill bits first, which made it a whole lot easier for me to do. So after you got your holes in the wall, go ahead and grab your screws. Use your drill, which is faster to do versus the screwdriver. And then you're going to repeat the same process on each hole. Now that all the screws are on the base, go ahead and grab the top portion, which is the door stopper, and then you just twisting it. And that's it. That's the door stopper. Now, moving on to the magnet. It's the same process as you did with the door stopper. So you're going to untwist the bottom portion of it. As you see, it does come with a spring inside of it. So take the base, which is that I'm holding in my hand, and then you're going to place it on the door. The same process that you did with the door stopper, you're going to do with the magnet itself. And you just drilling. I used the drill bits for this one as well. Now with the screws, I did not use the drill, but I did use the screwdriver, which was faster for me to do. You just repeating the same process on both sides because it came with 2 holes. Now go ahead and grab the magnet and twist it on. And that's it. That is it. That's how you do the magnet. You want to wiggle it just a little bit to make sure it's snug, which it is. And then that's it. And you see how it automatically sticks. And this is how you add a magnet door stopper for a nice simple upgrade to your home.